In this video, I'm gonna be showing you two different ways to increase your Apple Watch volume. The first way, just press this power button to go to your control center. In control center, scroll down and here you get the volume. Just tap on the volume and now you can easily go ahead and increase or decrease your Apple Watch volume. Also, you can use your crown to adjust your volumes. Now let's see the second method to adjust volumes. Press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. In here, you get the volume section. From here, you can just easily increase or decrease your Apple Watch volume. Thanks for watching.